Hello from the Bureau with your national weather forecast for Friday, the 21st of March, as we have a look at what we can expect heading into this weekend. First, a look at the national picture on Saturday, and straight away we see widespread showers and thunderstorms across central and northern parts of the country. These are being driven by a number of surface troughs. The first, the monsoon trough to the northwest, and extending from this, a surface trough. These troughs are funneling a lot of tropical moisture down across central parts of the country. As you can see here, we may even see some quite heavy falls. And for Central Australia, this could be the most significant rainfall so far this year. Off the Kimberley coast, we are monitoring a tropical low, but at this stage it poses no threat to the Australian mainland nor offshore communities. In the southeast of the country, there is a ridge of high pressure, but it is pushing a few showers onto the New South Wales and also southeast Queensland coast, and a few showers are possible for Tasmania later in the day. Western Australia, though, completely different story. Hot and sunny conditions with heatwave conditions developing, and the heat there won't peak until next week. Now, a quick look at Sunday. Widespread showers and thunderstorms continue across much of northern and central Australia. Heavy falls are possible, particularly for the northern parts of South Australia and for much of the Territory. In the south, that ridge of high pressure will start to get a bit of a move on. It will mean milder conditions on the way across the southeast, but it is still pushing a few showers onto the east coast. And heat continues and builds across western parts of the country. So now a state-by-state look, starting off in Queensland on Saturday. And we will see heavy rainfall possible south of about Mount Isa down towards Birdsville with those showers and thunderstorms through the day. We will also see showers and thunderstorms developing across central inland parts of Queensland. But under that cloud cover, particularly in the north and the west, maximum temperatures will be slightly below average for this time of year. Showers along the coast with that southeasterly trade flow coming through. Brisbane a shower or two in 29, showers about for Cairns also with a top of 31. In New South Wales, cloudy in the east with a few showers possible, particularly about the coast, including for Sydney. But out west, it will be warm and hot and also sunny through there. Sydney, a possible shower or two with a top of 26. Canberra, partly cloudy and a top of 28. For Victoria, a milder day is on the way. Sunny breaks are possible in the south and becoming more extensive into the afternoon, but it will be dry and sunny north of the Divide. Later in the day, as a weak cold front and trough push through the southwest, we will see a few showers. They're mostly possible about the far southwest coast, but otherwise looking at a dry and mild to warm day across Victoria. For Tasmania, it will be dry to start off with temperatures reaching the low to mid-20s for most of the state. But later in the day, as a cold front approaches, we'll see showers become more extensive and pushing into central parts of the state. For Hobart, a possible shower in the afternoon or evening with a top of 22 degrees, but those showers also do start to contract quite quickly heading into the evening. For South Australia, widespread rain and storms across northern parts of the state with heavy force possible generally north of about Coober Pedy. South of that though, we are seeing southeasterly winds and that's keeping things dry and mostly sunny and mild. Adelaide, mostly sunny with a top of 27 degrees and a few showers are possible about the far southeast coast later in the day. Not expecting too much in the way of rainfall totals. For Western Australia, very hot conditions developing. That's due to this heat trough sitting near the coast. We will see a few coastal sea breezes, but further inland, very hot conditions reaching the mid to high 30s, and it will be quite windy along the coast with that afternoon sea breeze coming in, including around Perth. Perth itself, sunny with a top of 32 degrees, also hot and sunny across the Pilbara, but it will be a dry day across much of southern Western Australia. And for northern parts of the country, widespread showers and thunderstorms with the monsoon trough and that surface trough developing. Heavy falls are possible and severe thunderstorms could produce flash flooding, so keep an eye on any warnings, particularly through much of the Territory and also up into the Kimberley and particularly up through into the top end as well. And now look at your Sunday. In the east of the country, a few showers along the coast, including for Sydney and Brisbane. Milder conditions in the southeast with maximum temperatures slightly higher compared to Saturday. And out in the west, getting even hotter in Perth, 33 degrees, and plenty of showers and thunderstorms across the northern parts of the country. That's your forecast for today. Stay up to date with the latest information and warnings on our website and app. Follow us on our social media. Have a great weekend.